How to remove errors? Removing errors from your credit report is crucial for maintaining a healthy credit profile. Errors can negatively impact your credit score and affect your ability to obtain credit or favorable terms. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to remove errors from your credit report. 1. Obtain your credit reports. 1.1. Request free reports. Annual Credit Report. Com. Visit Annual Credit Report. Com to request a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. 1.2. Review reports. Check all 3, since each bureau may have different information, check all 3 reports for accuracy. 2. Identify errors. 2.1. Common errors. Incorrect personal information, mismatched names, addresses, social security numbers. Wrong account information, incorrect account balances, payment statuses, or account statuses. Accounts you don't recognize, unauthorized or unfamiliar accounts. Duplicate accounts, the same account listed more than once. Inaccurate payment history, mistakes in recorded payments, including late payments that were actually made on time. 2.2. Document errors. Highlight, clearly mark the errors on your reports for easy reference. 3. Dispute the errors. 3.1. Contact the credit bureau. Online dispute. Experian Dispute Center. Equifax Dispute Center. TransUnion Dispute Center. Phone or mail. You can also dispute errors by calling the credit bureau or sending a dispute letter by mail. 3.2. Provide evidence. Supporting documents. Attach copies of documents that support your claim, such as bank statements, receipts, or letters from creditors. 3.3. File a dispute. Dispute form. Fill out the online dispute form provided by the credit bureau, or include details in your written dispute letter. Specify error. Clearly explain the error and what correction you're seeking. 3.4. Follow up. Confirmation. Keep a record of your dispute submission and any confirmation receipts or numbers. 4. Follow the dispute process. 4.1. Investigation time frame. Response time. The credit bureau typically has 30 days to investigate your dispute and respond. They will contact the creditor or entity that reported the information to verify the accuracy. 4.2. Review results. Update notification. Once the investigation is complete, the credit bureau will notify you of the results and any changes made to your credit report. 4.3. Check your reports. Updated reports. Obtain updated copies of your credit reports to ensure the errors have been corrected. 5. Dispute directly with creditors. 5.1. Contact the creditor. Written request. If the credit bureau is unable to resolve the issue, contact the creditor or lender directly to dispute the information. 5.2. Provide evidence. Documentation. Send copies of supporting documents and explain why the information is incorrect. 5.3. Request correction. Correction letter. Ask the creditor to update the information with the credit bureaus if your dispute is valid. 6. Monitor your credit reports. 6.1. Regular check. Ongoing monitoring. Regularly review your credit reports to ensure that the errors have been removed and that no new inaccuracies have appeared. 6.2. Credit monitoring services. Set alerts. Use credit monitoring services to get alerts for any changes or new errors on your reports. 7. Seek professional help. 7.1. Credit repair agencies. Consider services. If you're unable to resolve the errors on your own, you may seek help from credit repair agencies. Ensure they are reputable and transparent about their services. 7.2. Consult a financial advisor. Professional advice. Consult a financial advisor or credit counselor if you need personalized assistance with credit repair. 8. Maintain accurate records. 8.1. Documentation. Keep copies. Maintain copies of all correspondence and documents related to your disputes. 8.2. Track progress. Document changes. Record any changes or updates to your credit reports as a result of your disputes. By following these steps, you can effectively address and remove errors from your credit report, ensuring that your credit profile accurately reflects your financial history and helping you maintain a good credit score.